Alright, hi guys. So you guys might be wondering, oh, why are you recording here? Is this your new house? No, it's not. It's just that, okay, because I haven't really been to my normal house all this times because the way that this goes that my mom just drops me off here, and then that's when my dad picks me up, and yeah, and again, well, I just been having a sleepover at somebody's house for 2 days, so that's why I haven't really been just recording in my apartment. I just been recording in here in my Nana's house. She's supposed to be my grandma, but I call her Nana. Okay, so you guys might be wondering, why do I have these two Gatorade? Excuse me, somebody's calling me. Okay, sorry, somebody was calling me. So as I was saying, you guys, if you guys are wondering, why do I have these two Gatorade bottles with me? So I know, so you might have read the title of the video. You guys might be just telling me, why are you doing an science experiment when you just only do plush videos? Well, I'm just in sort of like the experimental mood right now, so I kind of want to do an experiment and see what happens if I mix grape Gatorade with green apple Gatorade. So let's take a look. So let me open this really quick. Wait, let me do a jump cut. Boom. Okay, so all right, so they're both open. So now we're gonna see what happens if I mix this if I mix green apple with grape. All right, let's do this. All right, so I took the cover off just so you could see what the color looks like a little bit more. All right, here we go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so as you can see, the color has gotten a little bit darker now. The color has gotten a little bit darker. Okay, so I'm gonna drink this and I'm gonna see what it tastes like. It has sort of like a mint taste, sort of like a mint taste, and like it's kind of, it kind of tastes like the same, It tastes like the same. Maybe if I could get something to mix it around or something. Alright, so I got a knife and I'm just gonna like mix it around and see what happens. So nothing else has happened. So I guess what just happens is that it just makes the color a little bit darker, and yeah, and it gives it like a little bit of a mint taste. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it gives it sort of like a mint taste. So so not that much happens. Maybe if I had 3 bottles, but all I had was those 2. So I guess I'm just gonna go now. This has been a total fail. Okay. Goodbye.